can't imagine anybody having to like travel or anything.
Why would you want to?
Yeah, right. Like getting an Airbnb in the city of Philadelphia like that. Can you imagine what that would even be? What that would be like?
Well, I mean, I can imagine it's a little bit. Remember.
Here we are. Thank you, Airbnb.
Really, Spurlock? You only found an Airbnb with one bed?
What? It was a really good deal. Anything else would have been at least $10 more.
It's fine. Exhausted.
So, want to take a shower?
What?
No. I didn't mean together. Like, you can go first.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good. Right.
Jesus, Joe, can it? Gotta get a little privacy. Oh, don't worry. I'm almost done. This place has really nice towels. Don't usually get good towels at Airbnbs. Sorry again about the beer can.
It's fine.
I had no idea it was going to explode like that.
You put loose beer cans in your suitcase. How could you expect that not to explode?
It's been a long day. Just didn't occur to me.
It didn't occur to you, so now I have to sleep in a puddle of beer.
Let's not argue. Let's get some rest.
Agreed.
Good night.
Good night. That's it! I can't take it anymore.
What? Can't take what?
You!
What are you talking about?
I've been on my skin all day.
Oh, well, I'm sorry I found an Airbnb in to stay in tonight. Forgive me for my generosity.
You're no saint, you know. All you got out of this deal was someone to tell your boring stories to. Didn't you notice on the Uber drive on the way over here I started eventually talking to the driver? Didn't that give you some semblance that I didn't want to talk to you? Oh, and here's a little tip for you. When you're telling your stories, have a point. It makes it so much more easier for your listeners.
You want to hurt me? Go right ahead, if it makes you feel any better. I'm an easy target. Yeah, you're right. I talk too much, but I also listen too much. I could be a cold-hearted cynic like you, but I don't like to hurt people's feelings. You can think what you want about me. I'm not changing. I like me. My dog likes me. The audience likes me. Because I'm the real deal. What you see is what you get.
Spurlock? Why did you just nuzzle your beard up against my ear?
Why are you holding my hand?
Where's your other hand?
Between two pillows.
Those aren't pillows!
Just gonna go listen to the Foo Fighters.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna go find a newspaper.